What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making the world's greatest fried chicken. Ha. Stay tuned. Okay, let's go over some of these ingredients we're going to be using on this fried chicken. I got a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of ground mustard, some smoked paprika, some black pepper, Italian seasoning, a little bit of this Chica Licka Bam Bam with fire and smoke, a little bit of chicken rub, onion powder, fresh red hot. Also got some buttermilk in the refrigerator. I didn't want to leave that out. Also got the chicken in the refrigerator. So let's go ahead and get those things. Let's get to making it. All right, y'all, this is take two. I forgot to mention that I did put some Sazón in there. My camera wasn't rolling. I already got a bowl with some buttermilk. I already put 1 pack of Sazón in there. Let's go ahead and put the rest of these ingredients in there. Got some cayenne pepper. Smoked paprika. Ground mustard. Dash of black pepper. Italian seasoning. Some Italian seasoning. Some of that Chica Licka Bam Bam. And powder. Brings rare. All right, let's go ahead and mix all this together. All right, we got our mix. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Bare minimum. You can leave it in there for 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in there for 4 hours because it's 12 o'clock. I'm not gonna start cooking until about 4. So let's go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get this seasoned flour ready for this chicken batter. We pretty much gonna use the same stuff we put in there for the chicken. We're gonna use this Chica Licka Bam Bam. Go ahead and throw some of that in there. Look like a lot, but I got 2 cups of flour here, so you'll see it. Close that off. A little bit of black pepper. Paprika. Cayenne pepper, give you a little kick. Got some salt. I don't want too much salt. Onion powder. Italian seasoning. Also gonna throw some of that Sazón in there. So that's what you got right here. We're gonna go ahead and whisk this up. I have to go ahead and taste that flour, see if it needs a little bit more salt, a little bit more seasoning. Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit more salt. All right, that's gonna do it. Let's go ahead and get this chicken out this refrigerator. It's been sitting in there for 5 hours. All right, go ahead and get it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and combine the two. Use your hands. You need to have a wet hand, dry hand. Obviously, it ain't gonna be super dry. We're gonna try to keep this hand over here where the chicken is. Keep the other hand where the flour is. After that, we're just gonna place it on the cooling rack. All right, let's go. Want to take this chicken and want to pack flour in it. You think you got it all the way covered? Cover it again. That's the rule of thumb. Squeeze this in now. Like so. Check access off. Red on the cooling rack. Boom. That's all it is too. All right, I'm gonna stop right here at 6. I'm gonna go ahead and fry these babies up. When they start cooking, I'll go ahead and make some more. All right, see you in a second. All right, here go the fun part. It's time to fry these bad boys. Probably gonna put 2 at a time. I used about 2.5 quarts of oil. If you're not allergic, peanut oil is probably the go-to. I couldn't find none that wasn't a gallon, so I didn't need that much. So I'm just gonna be using vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, but I'm just gonna be using vegetable. But peanut oil is your best oil for chicken. So let's go ahead and drop 2 in here, see what it do. I got this set at 350. We're gonna lower this slowly. Oh yeah, let that cook. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Look at that right there. Check that color out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and check these temps, see if they all reach 165 in the middle. If they have, I got another cooling rack sitting over there to the side. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna put some more chicken in there. All right, catch you in a minute. And there it is, world's greatest fried chicken. Look at that right there. Don't get no better than that. Man, I appreciate you guys for watching it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share, hit the like button, leave a comment. Got that Chica Licka Bam Bam and that frame's red hot. Got some honey in there. Pour that on here with that hot sauce. You know what time. Man, I appreciate you guys. This is Mastablendz. My name is Trey. It's time to eat.